We are pleased to show you the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $75,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.